So here we are at the bottom of the hill. What we've done is we dragged a large log that we found up in the forest, and we found it was really nice and solid. So we dragged this log, and we thought, okay, down at the bottom of this hill, this large hill, we'd want to have a nice place to land on. And so brought this log over, and I'm going to try to convey how steep this hill is. So I'm looking straight right now, and you can just barely see. You can't even see the top of the hill right there. So this hill is very steep, and this trail, we'd like to make it kid-friendly. So instead of slip sliding down the hill, we are going to put some steps in. Also, what we're going to do is, a long time ago, more than 50 years ago, we bought this house. The prior owners just threw a bunch of crap down here. Just threw it down in an old car, and it's really kind of appalling. And up there's a whole big glass section. So we're making this trail. It's going to make it nice, and once we make this trail, and this trail is actually going down there to a ladder, so a bridge, and then a little bit further down there is a natural spring. And we've already had the water tested. The water's great. And so we're building a nice trail from here down to the spring. And eventually, once this trail gets built, this mess will be cleaned up. And it'll be really nice. We'll take this mess that's been here for, I don't know, 50 or 60 years. There's a car hood. Holy crap. I think it's an old stove. Tires, tons of tires down here. Look at all these tires. We're going to take this, transform this into a nice little walk, nice park, a very welcoming area. Okay, let's get to the steps.